Hello folks, so in today's video I'm going to show you some accessories for the DJI Mini 3 RC controller. As you can see here, this RC controller is very nice with the built-in screen. I do like to protect my gear, so in today's video I'm going to show you what accessories I bought for this RC controller. So the first accessory is the tempered screen for the controller. I do like to protect the screen. If for some reason the screen scratches, I don't like to do that. I do care about my gear protected. So I already applied the screen protector on the screen. You're not going to be able to see it, but it's been applied already. So this is the first thing that you should do if you buy your RC controller. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you put screen protector? Do you think it's okay to put screen protector? I do care. I protect my gear. So screen protector is the first thing that you should buy if you decide to protect your RC controller. Now let's put the screen protector on the side now. Now second thing is, let's open it. Basically this is something to attach to your RC controller if you, let's say, fly outside. If it's super bright, this is like a shade thing. Let's unbox it and let's see what actually it is. So this is gonna help you if you fly in a bright sunny day. This is gonna help you to see properly outdoor. Wow, this is cool, looks nice. So protects basically your front of the RC controller. Nice. Let's see how we can attach this. And we have a couple of stops, as you can see. Basically this should go behind, if I'm not wrong. It should go here. And yeah, this is how you attach it. And if you wonder how this clips, here on the back of your RC controller we have two screws. You have to remove these two screws in order to attach the shade cover. So I don't know if you're aware, let me show you here on your RC controller. Let me see if the camera will focus. We have two screws here, so you have to remove these two screws and attach it basically here. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, this is, I think it's nice to have this shade thing, because let's say you are flying in a very bright sunny day. This is gonna give you, I'll demonstrate. This is gonna give you some shade, as you can see. So I can see now it's visible. Obviously this can go like this. Yeah, I think this is gonna work. It's gonna work for me, especially if I travel to, let's say, a very bright country, planning to go to Greece soon. So this is gonna be very handy. Plus protects the screen if for some reason you accidentally drop it. Very good thing. Okay, let me put this on the side. Now this is something different. This basically is something so this is from TPU. Basically it's like, it's not plastic, it's from TPU. It's soft. Let me demonstrate how this will work now. So how do I put this in? Obviously the demonstration is gonna be perfect. I think I need to remove the Okay, so basically this applies pretty much everywhere. Okay, I was a little bit skeptical that this is gonna look very funny, but actually it's not bad. So this goes on the top, so you have more grip. Also protects your controller if it's, let's say, if you touch it with some greasy hands. I think this is nice. Let me put back the thumb screw. Okay, let me know what do you think, guys. Do you think this is a good buy? This is from the back, as you can see. Obviously you have like a grip, which it's nice. Yeah, this is much better. You still have options to press your buttons, obviously behind your wheel. Yeah, this is cool. I think this is nice. So if you don't want your control to be greasy and obviously scratched, dent, this is nice. I think I'm gonna leave it on because I do like it. Very nice. Let's unbox the last thing now. And the last thing is a lanyard, because I think this is going to be very handy. Very nice lanyard. So this lanyard is for the bottom here. So I can screw, let me see if it's going to work now. Now, why do you planning to get a lanyard? Why do you need a lanyard? Is a good accessories? Well, I'm gonna tell you. I think it's good. There's a few options, few scenarios. Let's say you fly your drone, but in the same time you receive a phone call. So this is a very good scenario. So let's say you're thirsty, you wanna drink something, or you want to do something with your hands, but you can because you're holding the RC controller. So I think this is a very good buy, as you can see, and it's long. So definitely this is a very good accessories for the RC controller. So you can rest until you do your, let's say, whatever you do with your hands, and this is gonna be perfect for, and I like it. Okay guys, let me know what you think about these accessories. Definitely my favorite one is this TPU plastic thing that goes on the top. I know some people, they buy skins for the controller for the drone as well, but with the skin, I think, I don't know, this is, I think it's better because I still have some grip, still have protection. With the skin probably will look nice if you want to change the color of the RC controller. I don't know, let me know in the comments down below if you want to see that. Maybe I can buy some skins for the RC controller. Also the lanyard is very nice as well. Definitely it's one of my favorite accessories as well. And this hood thing obviously is going to be nice. You're not going to use this every day because the brightness of the screen is around, I believe, 700 nits, if I'm not wrong. So I don't think we're gonna use this on a daily basis. You're gonna use this only if it's super bright outside. So good, but yeah, I mean, it's good to have it if you need it. And yeah, very good buy. So let me know, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about these accessories? Obviously screen protector is very nice as well to have, so if you accidentally drop it. But yeah, very good accessories for your RC controller. So if you have any questions, give a like, thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.